We had two different volatility regimes in today's price action. The first was the morning volatility, and that took place really all the way up until the lunchtime hour. And the second is the post-lunchtime hour volatility, where we had the rally take place really across all markets. That's this rally right here, and across the board, this triggered a lot of short side volatility entries for us. Now, if we take a look at the live scanner, there's really four stocks we're going to zoom in on in today's video. Two examples from the morning volatility, and that's an Eli Lilly and H&R Block, and two examples from the post-lunchtime volatility, and that's going to be inside of DoorDash, along with Abercrombie & Fitch, which was towards the very end of the day. So let's take a look at all four of these stocks in today's video, and we'll start first with the morning volatility with Eli Lilly and H&R Block. Now, starting first with Eli Lilly, here's a 2-minute time frame chart. We had price action breach our volatility box zones, and then we had our momentum reversal setup play itself out. If you're unfamiliar with the momentum reversal setup, I'll leave a link to this video in the description box below, and it also has this green button where you can download the momentum cross to get some of these indicators into your platform. Now, in Eli Lilly, we had price action breach our volatility box models. We then had the Keltner channel wedges tell us we have a price edge. We saw more than the 5 that we like to see. We had the edge signal. We had the momentum cross. And for those of you that are scalpers, you like to get in and out very quickly, you even had the 1-2 punch on a 1-minute time frame chart. We had the sell side signal. We had the buyers try to defend or bring price action up higher. And the sellers very quickly rejected that, giving us that 1-2 punch we're looking for. Now, if you think the 1 minute is a little too aggressive for your trading style, but you still want to wait for that second confirmation, H&R Block is an example of using the 2 minute as a better proxy for this. Same idea here, price action breaches the aggressive volatility box and then the conservative volatility box. We have momentum cross, we have the buyers try to defend price action, but the sellers reject that very quickly, and we have a nice little dump here inside of H&R Block. So this was the morning volatility, still short side setups that we looked at, but in the morning portion of the entire day's activity. Now let's take a look at the two stocks in the post-lunchtime volatility. The first one is DoorDash, and here inside of DoorDash, we can see price action breaches the aggressive, and then the conservative clouds post that 10 a.m. Pacific mark. Now we see the Keltner channel wedges also telling us we have a price edge. We have the edge signal confirmation, the momentum cross. We also see the second one with the buyers trying and the sellers defending, and that leads to our first little dump before we gradually see price drift down lower. Now, the second half of the volatility here, we don't see the same level of selling activity like we saw in the morning period with Eli Lilly and H&R Block. The last example we said we'd take a look at was Abercrombie & Fitch, and you should notice something similar to what we just saw in DoorDash. Same idea here, price breaching the aggressive volatility box. We have the Keltner channel wedges also telling us we have a price edge. We have our momentum cross for the first time. Here's the buyers trying to defend, the sellers rejecting, and you can see price just drifts down lower after that second half of the day. Now, based on the volatility we saw to end last week and the volatility we're seeing to start this week, it seems likely that we see this volatility continue to increase as this week progresses. Today, a majority of our entries were short side entries, or at least on the volatility scanner, and we can see how that fluctuates as this week progresses. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful for all Stock Volatility Box members to help give you a breakdown of a few stocks from the Overlap tab, along with the same application of our Momentum Reversal setup, along with the 1-2 punch setup. Take care everyone, good luck trading, and I'll see you in our next update.